lollipop holder idea. This is how I make this lollipop holder. So what I have done, I took 22 mm pipe, made a hole using 4.5 mm bit, and then it's just cap. What I did, I just press little bit and then put this end cap, so I don't need to solder it. Took two piece, use the blowtorch to make it like stain. So I just use the blowtorch, make it dark, then I sand it and use the wax. And same thing here, I use 22 mm bit to make this hole, and just just made a little bit irregular, so it just fit it like this. So this is how I made this lollipop holder.